Hey everybody, it's Mr. Maxon here. Hope you're having a good break. By now you should all have received an email from me that looks something like the one I have on my screen here. And all you have to do is click on it. And you'll be taken to a Google map, a Huck Finn Google map. Yay! If you zoom out a little bit, you can see I've made 3 posts so far. The first in blue is biographical data on Twain. Click on it, you'll see Mark Twain's birthplace. This is where Mark Twain was born as Samuel Langhorne Clemens on November 30th, 1835, complete with a little picture of the house. The second in red, St. Petersburg. That's Huck's fictional hometown based on Twain's real-life hometown of Hannibal, Missouri. And the third is in yellow, and that is historical data. In this case, I have just found the slave population in 1850 in Missouri, 87,422 slaves. Provides a little bit of context for us for the book. So, how do we make a post is the next question. First, go up here to Edit, click on it, and you will see you have these 3 options. One, the first, the little hand, allows you to move around the map. Scroll around by grabbing it. The second one is what we'll use to make little posts like I've already made with these little place marks. So let's say somebody wanted to make a place mark on Jackson's Island where Huck met Jim. Look at that. I've already got this in here. So you could just put Jackson's Island into the search up here. And lo and behold, it comes up. So if you select on it, you should be able to say, scroll down, save to my maps. Save to the Huck Finn map. There you go, then go back to my maps. Save right here, view map. Now if you go to Jackson's Island, now we know that this is going to be a plot story post, so we need to change the place mark here, right up here, from blue to red. Very simple. Click on it, choose red, there you go. To add some details, please put your name after the title. So in this case it'd be Jackson Island, Mr. Maxon. And then switch to rich text. And you can type in your post. This is where Huck met Jim after staging his death. Okay, and that'd be our post. So once you have the post made, just say OK. And here it is over on the side. So then, okay, so now let's say you want to add a historical post about where Mark Twain lived in Connecticut. Should be very simple. Just go up and type in Mark Twain, Connecticut. Oh, look at that, Mark Twain House and Museum. Save to my maps. Huck Finn map. Remember to view the map, go back to it. Click on Mark Twain House and Museum that you just made. Because this is a biographical posting, I'd like the place marker to be blue, so come up here to where it's red and choose blue. And then you can type in, this is where Twain was living when he wrote Huck Finn. And now you have created 2 posts. Very simple. If we zoom out, scroll around, we begin to get a sense of where Twain went and how broad was his world. So now we want to say something about the historical context. So let's look up the population of Missouri in 1845. One good website you can go to, other than Wikipedia, if you don't already know about it, is Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha is a search engine that does some very neat things. In this case, it shows us Missouri's population. In 1840, it was 383,702 people. So now I can go back to my little map, and I will just click place mark. In yellow, Missouri population 1840, Mr. Maxon. Missouri's population was now I'm going to want to make that post yellow, the place mark yellow, because it is a historical posting, and there we go. Oh, do need to go back here and add Mr. Max in this one. And that's it. Now I have made my 3 posts to this map. And we can start to get a sense of who Mr. Twain was, what the story was, and what the world was like at the time he was writing, and the time at which the story was set. And hopefully by the time all of you are done posting, we will have a very comprehensive map about Huck Finn, Mark Twain, and the world. Now once you're done with your post, be sure to hit save. And then done. Okay, so let's go ahead and I want to show you one last way that you can post. You can use a little draw a line icon. So you could use this to say, you could draw a shape around the states that were slave states at a certain time, draw a line along roads. In this case I'm just going to say draw a line because I'm going to draw a line from the island to the place where Huck and Jim drifted to on that first night. In the book it says it's 16 or 17 miles south. As you can see, that would be about the distance I have here. Probably down here near Pike. Guessing, no, maybe right in here. DuPont Reservation Conservation Area. So, in order to draw, got that selected, all I need to do is click to start drawing a line. There we go. Zoom in. Click on the last point to end this line. So now I could say Huck and Jim drift night 1, Mr. Maxon. So hopefully you are getting a sense of what I'm looking for and how to create these posts. It's not all that complicated, and hopefully it will be a little bit of fun. I look forward to seeing what all of you find and post here on our Huck Finn Google map. I hope you're having a great break, and I am looking forward to seeing you all in January. Have fun, folks. Email me with questions as always, and do not panic about this. Remember, panicking isn't fun, and this is supposed to be fun. So have fun, everybody. See you soon.